back to business. Let's have fun.
Good morning, Facebook. Ricky here with Freedom Plumbers and Pumpers, Septic and Drain, coming to you from the beautiful town of Herndon, Virginia, specifically for the trenchless replacement of a water service, that being the main water line from the street to the house. What we had here is a beautiful house located just on the edge of Drainsville Road. And the front of the property has some pretty valuable and high-risk utilities, to include yellow being gas, for those who know their miss utilities, red being power, orange being communication, and then the water service located right here where that little chamber is. That's a water meter, and that same would go into the basement, which I'll show you in just a little bit. What ended up happening is that the same developed a leak, but we couldn't find that leak. So once you get to that point, leak locating becomes unreasonable when it comes to pricing and time invested, and the most economical thing to do is to replace the same. But how? Without tearing up this whole entire yard. Well, trenchless directional drilling. What we have to do for that is dig a hole and expose the water line as it comes out of the water meter, then another hole as it enters the house, and shoot a drill from that hole all the way into here. Easier said than done, because you have to be careful not to hit the public utilities, that being, again, power, communications, gas, and even the private sewer. Once that drill finally makes it into this hole, we go ahead and connect the new water line and pull it back out. Connect it to the house, connect it to the water meter, and voila. Easier said than done. So anyways, now a couple days later, everything's good to go. Property is saved, fences are saved, trees are saved, foundation is saved, everything's good to go. Homeowner is back in business. And that's how you replace a very badly leaking water service for a beautiful house in the town of Herndon without having to dig the whole thing up. That's what you got. Again, my name is Ricky Salinas, Freedom Plumbers and Pumpers, Septic and Drain. Give us a call if you have any issues with your sewer, your septic, your grease traps, or your water lines. We would love to help you. 703-895-4109 is the phone number. www.freedomplumbers.com is your website. Or you can check by email by scheduling@freedomplumbers.com. Thank you very much. We'll catch you on the next one. Freedom.